Why do we keep staying busy without actually moving closer to the life we want? We usually think being busy means we are making progress because the day feels full and our mind feels tired. We answer messages, fix small details, and keep preparing for the work that actually matters. From the outside, that looks productive. Honestly, it can even feel responsible because we are not doing nothing, but sometimes busyness is just avoidance wearing better clothes. We sit down to work on something important, and suddenly the desk needs cleaning. Then the plan needs changing because maybe the old one was not clear enough. After that, we watch one more video to make sure we understand what to do. An hour disappears, and the real task is still waiting. And look, we are not productivity experts pretending every minute has to be perfect. We are basically people trying to understand why some days feel exhausting, even when nothing important gets finished. The problem is that movement feels safer than progress. Real progress creates something that can fail, it can be judged, and it can show us that we are not as ready as we hoped. Small tasks protect us from that feeling while still letting us believe we worked hard. A useful way to notice this is to ask what actually changed because of the work. Did the video get recorded, or did we only keep improving the plan? Did the first page get written, or did we spend the whole time finding better advice? Preparation is useful until it becomes a hiding place. At some point, we already know enough to begin. The next answer will not come from thinking longer. It will come from touching the real task and seeing what happens. Progress often feels worse than movement in the moment. It is slower, messier, and kind of uncomfortable. But that discomfort usually means we are finally doing something that matters. So, let me wrap it up. Being tired at the end of the day does not always mean we moved forward. Sometimes, it only means we stayed busy avoiding the one thing that could actually change something. What important task have we been preparing for instead of starting?